something fly.
What the heck?
Something popped out of my tire.
Holy crap.
Your tire popped!
Should I stop the video?
Yeah, stop it. What's that noise? Shut. Turn your car off.
Mine twitches a lot. Dude, that was awesome, was it? Wait, let's bring it down.
How did that even break? When you barely was going fast too.
I must have hit something that flew in the air.
Okay, I want to find what popped up out. Because it looked like air popped
Dylan.
up with it too. Thank
Like,
you.
did something fly out? Like,
Yeah.
how big was it?